Hi, good morning, my dearest children. Today I am back again with a new lesson. The lesson is very familiar for you. This lesson is about sense organs. Sense organs. About the sense organs, you must study it already from class 1 and KG, right? Today we will study more about the sense organs and the uses of sense organs in detail. Okay, and also we will do some experiments too. Here we have a guest with us to do the experiment, and this experiment will help you to understand about the sense organs in better way. Okay, can we invite our guest? Hi, my dear children, this is our guest. His name is Vishwanath. Okay, say hi.
Hi.
See, children, now our guest is blindfolded. Now I will give him some things and how he is going to identify those. Let's see. Okay, Vishwanath, show me your hand. Okay, tell me what is this? What is this? What is this?
Salt.
How could you understand this is salt?
Using my tongue.
Very good. He could understand the taste of the salt using his tongue. Okay. Next, I am going to give him another thing. Okay. Vishwanath. Okay. You can hold this and tell me what is this?
This is my monkey puppet.
And tell me, Vishwanath, how could you understand this is your puppet?
I can touch man.
Very good. So, he could understand that this is his monkey puppet because he can touch. So, which body part help him? Yeah, his skin. His skin help him to touch. Now, I am going to give him another thing. Okay, here it is. Vishwanath, please tell me what is this?
This is cloth.
Yeah, he could understand this is cloth. But Vishwanath, can you please tell me the color of this cloth?
No, ma'am, I can't see.
Yes, see this children? He can't see because he is blindfolded, right? He cannot see anything. But after touching, he could understand that this is a cloth. But the color he couldn't identify. Why, children? Because he is not using his eyes. His eyes are folded, no. Okay then. Then thank you, Vishwanath, for joining with us.
You are welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. So, my dear children, what did you understood from this? Yes, every sense organs are equally important. It is very difficult to know everything about a thing without any one of our sense organs. How many sense organs we have? You may know already because you studied from the previous classes, right? Yeah, we have 5 sense organs. How many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. Okay. Which are they? Yes, which are they? Eyes. What is the use of eyes? Eyes to see, ears to hear the sound, then nose to smell, tongue to taste. Okay. Now we can write it on the board. Sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Tell me which are they? Yes. Eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes. Ears, E-A-R-S. Then nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Then 3 only we wrote. Tell the rest also. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, Then, yes, skin. Skin is to feel, okay, to touch and feel. Tongue is to taste. So these are the 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Children, you have to study the spellings of these words also. Okay. Now we can complete the third lesson in our workbook. Okay. Sense organs. Write the date, all of you. Write the date on the top. Then read the heading. The same heading. Sense organs. Write the names of the sense organs being used. Here we can see the pictures of some activities and you have to identify which sense organ is being used here. Okay. Look at the first picture, children. What is she doing here? She is reading a book. Which sense organ is she used? Not the body part. You have to write the sense organs. We have 5 sense organs only. Among this, you have to identify which sense organ is used here. Okay. Then next, what is she doing? She is eating. What is helping her to get the taste of this food? Tell me. Yeah, which sense organ? Very good. Yes, then the next picture, the mother is patting on the back of a baby. The mother is patting on the back of a baby. So which organ is used here? Not the organ, the sense organ. Okay. Yes, the last picture we can see she is going to touch something very hot. Okay. So which sense organ help her to identify the food is very hot? How can we understand? Okay, write the name of that sense organ there. Then children, the second question, listen very carefully. It's a long question. Carefully listen. Okay. Which sense organ will help Shalu to find out whether the food is stale or not? So tell me children, which sense organs will help Shalu to understand the food is stale or not? Yeah, sometimes we can get bad smell from the stale food, and also sometimes we will feel a bad taste also. So which sense organ will help us to get the smell and which sense organs will help us to get the taste of food? That you explain there in your own sentence. Okay. Then the last question, will Rama enjoy watching a movie if her ears are not working properly? Yeah, while watching a movie, can we enjoy a movie without sound? Along the visuals, we need to get the sound also. Then only we can enjoy the movie properly. Right? Can she enjoy the movie if her ears are not working properly? And you can just try it once. Close your ears very tightly and try to watch a movie. Try it once and write your experience there. Okay. Okay, then this lesson is enough for today. Complete third lesson in your workbook. Write practice questions 5 and 6. Thank you.